What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will, and I got some cases here for the Pixel 3, which is the little guy, which is one of my favorites. Shout out to Poetic first and foremost for sending over the Revolution series and the Guardian series. Now, I'm not going to try on all these different cases, man. I'm going to try on one and one. This is what you see how it looks. You know they rock with the lime green. Oh my gosh! Shout out to Poetic for kicking it with the lime green. So I just grabbed these two right here. Let's get them open. I took them out of all the separate packaging and everything, just so you can see them. And I'll try on both of these cases right here. Wow, this is nice, man. This is beautiful. And this series right here has the kickstand like this, so you can sit it up and watch movies. And while this is a little phone, man, it has stereo speakers, so it's gonna be nice to actually have a case with a kickstand for this little phone. Now, one thing I want to recommend to Poetic at this point in the game, I kick it with y'all a lot. I like all y'all cases, but right now, manufacturers are releasing a little cut right here in the side of the case to get this off easier. And I recommend that you do that now because a lot of people it's hard to take these cases off of the phone. It's hard to take these cases off of the phone nowadays, and it makes it for not a pleasant experience if you change cases a lot. So that's just a quick recommendation for you. If you're gonna make these cases with where it covers up the entire phone like this, you got to start putting that little groove at the bottom down there, so you can be able to get the cases off easier. Because it becomes a not so pleasant experience when putting these cases on and off. Just a recommendation. You don't have to do it, but I think if you keep making these cases like this, where it's covering the entire phone up and stuff like this, it's kind of a headache to do this over and over again like this. So I got the case on. Make sure I got it all snapped in because the buttons don't feel too good. Let's see here. Yeah, these buttons don't feel good. It's like I can't even press them. Yeah, this case right here looks like the buttons, they have an issue with the buttons lining up. Like I'm pressing the power button. It's not doing anything. So let's get this off here. Yeah, it looks like the grooves in here aren't deep enough to hit those buttons. So Poetic, need you to fix that. I'm gonna try this again. Take the phone out. Let's turn the volume up. Yeah, it's something with the buttons in here. With this case right here, it's not gonna work, Poetic. I don't know if y'all tested this or not, but it looks like it's, there we go. Nope. Nah, it doesn't look like it's working, son. There we go. All right, there we go. It's real hard to get. Yeah, let's get it snapped all the way on. And let's just check it just to be sure. All right, so fingerprint reader and everything works on here. That's working pretty good. All the cutouts and everything are there, but it won't do us any good if we can't get this thing with the volume rockers. There we go. All right, so they're a little finicky. It's like something inside of here. Since the volume rockers on here are split, and the volume rocker inside the phone is not split. Like on the phone, it's not split. So, like it's turning it down right there. Oh yeah, huge fail, man. Sorry, Poetic. I got it. Yeah, the volume rockers on here, I can't recommend this case right now. I don't know if y'all did any tests or anything, but if you can see right here, the volume rockers on this phone is one piece, and your case is two pieces. And inside of here, for some reason, it's messing it up. So this case, thumbs down, going in the trash. Sorry, Poetic. I love you like a play cousin, but this case doesn't work. Now, let's try this one right here. That's the Revolution. Let's try the Guardian. And I bet this case is going to be the same. That's a shame, man, because I really like this lime green right here. Yeah, you got to fix those volume rockers, and you also got to make this case easier to get on and off, because this case is doing the same thing right here, and this is going to be a huge fail. because this green is the one I wanted to kick it with. It's lime green. Poetic knows I like the black and lime green setup. So hopefully this one, again, beautiful setup on the rear, fingerprint reader, everything that works. But let's try the volume rocker. Yeah, the volume rocker on here, man, huge fail. Power button works. But right now, Poetic, sorry, I can't recommend these cases. And I think it's best that I put this video out so people can see, so they don't have this problem. So you have to fix the volume rockers on here because you have them split right here. And then the phone itself is just one piece. And so these pieces on the inside are not lined up. So these right here, gotta pass on them, folks. Poetic, I know you're gonna get this video, so I hope you fix these issues. And if people who bought this case right here, I'm sure you've already returned it, man. Anyway, it's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video.